This is week 1, an independent activity, order of operations, question 1. Simplify this expression. In order to simplify this expression, we use the order of operations. I'll write PEMDAS at the top. It's a little acronym to guide us through the steps we need to take. So I have 5 times 9 minus 21. Now look at the expression. I don't have any parentheses. I don't have any exponent. I do have multiplication and division. We do from left to right. So from left to right, I see 5 times 9, which is 45, minus 21. Then I subtract, addition and subtraction. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And that's our answer here, 24. Another one here, you can write PEMDAS at the top for number 2. PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we look at this expression here. We have 4 plus 5, quantity, 5 minus 2. Subtract. We have parentheses. We'll take care of the parentheses first. I don't have any exponent, multiplication and division. I have that here, so I'll take care of that next. 4 plus 3 times 5, which is 15. Addition and subtraction, 4 plus 15 is 19. That's number 3. And this one here, they give us a spreadsheet with information on it. Question 1 here says, in the spreadsheet above, what is the amount of monthly payments? So we go to the top of the spreadsheet. We see that the amount of monthly is $157.92. There. What are the number of years which the loan will be repaid? Terms here, 7. 7. And what is the interest rate in percent? The interest rate here is 5.8%. In terms of percent, it would be 5.8. In the spreadsheet above, if the payments are made monthly, how many periods in the year? 12, because it's 12 months in a year. The formula we use to calculate the future value. What's the total amount of money that we paid over the life of the loan? In the spreadsheet above, monthly payments calculated, repaid a loan, identify the cell that contains the formula 1 could use to determine the total amount that's going to be repaid, called the future value. So we look at this up here. In this one we have the person's going to be making payments of $157.92 every 12 months for 7 years. So the term here is 7. The period is 12. The term here is 7 and the period is 12. So it'll be this one. And they want to know what cell that's located in. It's located in A11. A11. That was number 3. And number 4, another order of operations. I can write PEMDAS at the top here. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And I write the expression underneath it. I'll have to take care of my parentheses first. 7 plus 1, parentheses 4 plus 9 is 13. Exponent, don't have any. Multiplication and division, I do have 1. 13 times 1, which is 13. Addition and subtraction here. 7 plus 13 is 20. My answer. Next one here. Right, pin this at the top. Step through it, take care of my parentheses first. 9 minus 5 is 4. No exponent, multiplication and division. I have that here. Let's take a look at this again. We can redo some things, make it easier. Right, my pen is at the top again. So I do have parentheses here, so I'll take care of that first. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now, do I have an exponent? Yes, I do. We can consider the square root sign an exponent. What it says is that square root of x is the same thing as x to the 1/2 power. So the square root of 4 is 2. So multiplication and division, I do have that. Go from left to right. 6 times 4 is 12. And 5 times 4 is 20. Addition and subtraction here. 12 plus 20 is 32. Here's another one here. So I'll write PEMDAS at the top. Write the expression underneath it. Parentheses, take care of the parentheses first. Take care of the exponent next. 2 squared is 4. Multiplication and division. 60 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Addition and subtraction. 2 plus 4 is 6. And that's our answer. So here we can write PEMDAS at the top. Write out an expression. 2 plus 24 divided by 8 plus 4 times 2. Parentheses, don't have any. Exponent, don't have any. Multiplication and division from left to right. Okay. So I'll have 7 plus 24 divided by 8 is 3, plus 4 times 2, which is 8. Addition and subtraction from left to right. 7 plus 3 is 10. And 10 plus 8 is 18. There's the answer there. In the spreadsheet above, what is in cell B11? So B is here, 11 is here. Looks like 248. That's what they have there. So they want to see the total amount of expenses, not counting the credit card. So you see expenses here going across, not counting the credit card. What I can do is go ahead and get my calculator out. So 750 plus 245, 91 equal plus 467 dot 86 and up with $1,463.77. And that's what they have there. What is the total from the income from the paycheck and the bonus? Income, paycheck, and the bonus is there. Those two. You quit your calculator again. Clear. Paycheck. .24 plus 1,611.24. That's what they have there. After paying the rent, how much is left to pay? How much is left to pay down on the credit card? After paying the rent, the car payment, and for food. How much is left to pay on the credit card? Okay. You see their rent, car payment, and the food. And that's our income. So I can do minus 750. Minus car payment. And minus the food. 147.47 that's left. And you see that there. And that's that was number 8. Number 9. Evaluate, write out PEMDAS at the top. And the expression underneath it. No parentheses here. We have an exponent. Four to the second power is 16. Multiplication and division, I have that. Plus 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Plus 9 times 16. What is 9 times 16? Let's see here. Pull up a calculator. Let's find out. 9 times 16. 144. Addition and subtraction are last. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 144. 144 plus 6 is 150. And that's our answer there. In this particular expression, we have parentheses inside parentheses. So you follow the order of operations inside the parentheses. So you end up doing the innermost set of parentheses first. It should be here. So I'll write out my parentheses. It's my dear Aunt Sally. Then I'll write my expression underneath it. Bracket. The bracket is a style thing. It lets us know there's another set of parentheses inside. So we have parentheses inside parentheses. So we start with the innermost set, following the order of operations. We would take care of multiplication first, and then the subtraction. So I'm going to have 4 bracket plus 4. 7 times 9 is 63 minus 23. Take care of what's in parentheses. 63 minus 23, which is 40. And then inside these brackets here, no more operators here, so we go out. 4 times 4 is 16, so we have 4 bracket. 3 minus 4 times 40 is minus 160 here. And we end up with 160 there's a plus there. That should be a plus. And there. So end up with 160 plus 3, which is 4 times 163. Multiply these together, we end up with 652 for my final answer. Next one here, you can go ahead and write PEMDAS at the top of it. Write the expression underneath it. 2 times 8 minus 4 plus 4 times parentheses 9 times 3 minus 2. Take care of what's in the parentheses for all the operations here. So I have 5 times 2 times 8, which is what, 16? Minus 4. Plus 4. And here I have 9 times 3, which is 27. Minus 2. And still got stuff I can do in here. So simplify the additions inside of parentheses. So I have 5 and 16 minus 4 is 12. Plus 4, 27 minus 2 is 25. Okay. So no operations inside of parentheses, so I can work out 5 times 12 is 60, plus 4 times 25, which is 100, which gives me a sum of 160, and that's my answer there. And that was number 11. Number 12, simplify the expression. Write PEMDAS at the top. Put that expression underneath it. Take care of what's in the parentheses. Follow the order of operations out of parentheses, so we end up doing 3 squared first. Times 3 squared, which is 9. Next step will be multiplication inside the parentheses. 5 times 9 is 45. So I have 20 minus 4 and 47 minus 45. 47 minus 45. Okay. Do the subtraction. 47 minus 45 is 2. Next, I'm going to have 2. There's a minus there. Okay. So I have 2 times 4, which is 8. And I have 2 minus 8. Let's see here. Did I copy something wrong? Let's find out. So it's 9. It's 2. And I have 2 times... Oh, that's a 20. Here. So 20 minus 8, which is 12. And that's my final answer. And that was number 12. Number 13. So I'll write my PEMDAS at the top. PEMDAS. It's a D-A-S. Write the expression underneath it. Yep, parentheses inside parentheses. So you do the innermost set first, following the order of operations. Inside parentheses. 3, 6, 2, minus 6. Parentheses, and I'm doing that in here, so I have multiplication, so I do that first. Let's see, 6 times 2 is 12, minus 6. Inside the parentheses, 4 plus 3, 12 minus 6 is 6, close parentheses there. I have 4 plus 3 times 6, which is 18. 18 plus 4 is what? 22 times 4, which is 88. And that's our final answer.